My name is TJ Noel-Sullivan, and I am the founder of the Hartford Film Company. Hartford Film Company, I really started with the idea of bringing really high quality film production to the city. I saw an opportunity to hit what really was an underserved market here in Hartford. So we do both feature-length films like Midas and our upcoming teacher shortage documentary, but we also do commercials servicing both businesses and nonprofits all over Connecticut. I remember when I was first starting Hartford Film Company, I saw through a newsletter that the Connecticut Small Business Development Center offered free advising. What really impressed me with my first meeting with the Development Center was I was getting all of the questions that I had answered in one place. Things like how to hire your first employee, how to just project out finances and know when we were ready to move into our first office. But it was the personalized way of saying, this is specifically what you've told me about your business, and here's how these steps relate to you. That was really helpful for me. So as our business was growing, we realized we were hitting this bottleneck where previously all of our equipment was just being thrown in the trunk of my car. I knew that getting a van was the right next step for the business. And so as I talked with Michelle about this, she advised me you should look into the Small Business Boost Loan, and it can pay off. And for us, it has. We invested in a used Ford Transit van, and it's been a game changer for our workflow. And it's actually paid for itself already in less than a year. The additional equipment that we're bringing has paid for the van. I think without the Small Business Boost Loan, we would still be packing everything into my car and trying to slowly grow. So what it allowed us to do is I could see the financials of if we were able to make this van purchase, it was gonna be financially rewarding for us. But actually having the cash to do that as a small business is tough. And so the Small Business Boost Loan really opened up our cash flow. I think we've realized that a rising tide lifts all boats. And so as a small business, it's not just us growing, but we want our community around us to grow as well. The really starting point of this trajectory that we've been on was when I scheduled my first call with Michelle and the SBDC. I'm really excited to see where the next 3 years takes us.